Welcome back to Useful AI Hacks. Today, we're diving into everything you need to know about Grok 4, the latest AI assistant from Elon Musk's XAI. If you're curious about the future of artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. First, what is Grok? Grok is XAI's conversational AI assistant, designed for both serious and not so serious discussions. It's built to maximize truth and objectivity, and it's famous for its witty, sometimes rebellious personality. Unlike other chatbots, Grok isn't afraid to answer questions that others might avoid, even if they're a little taboo. So, what's new with Grok 4? According to Elon Musk and the XAI team, Grok 4 is scheduled for release by the end of 2025. While we're still waiting for the full feature list, recent updates show that Grok is evolving fast, closing the gap with other leading AI models like ChatGPT and Gemini. Let's talk features. Grok's current versions already offer real-time access to the latest headlines from X, formerly Twitter, so you get the most up-to-date information possible. Its multimodal capabilities mean you can input both text and images, and Grok will understand and respond intelligently. For example, you can upload a photo of a diagram, and Grok can generate functional code from it. Or you can point your phone's camera at real-world objects and ask Grok to analyze them instantly with Grok Vision. Grok also brings a unique sense of humor to the table. Ask it about the best time to listen to Christmas music, and it might cheekily reply, "Whenever the hell you want." This blend of utility and personality makes Grok stand out from the crowd. Looking ahead, Grok 4 is expected to push these boundaries even further. Upcoming features may include enhanced memory, allowing Grok to recall previous conversations, and deeper integration with tools like Google Drive. There's also talk of a new image editing tool where you can upload an image, specify a style, and let Grok handle the rest. For developers and tech enthusiasts, Grok 4 could be a game changer. Elon Musk claims that upcoming versions will be able to accurately answer technical questions about complex topics like rocket engines or electrochemistry answers that simply don't exist on the internet today. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine you're working on a coding problem. You upload a screenshot of your code, ask Grok what's wrong, and it not only identifies the bug, but suggests a fix and explains why it works. Or you're traveling abroad, point your camera at a street sign, and Grok instantly translates and explains the context. In summary, Grok 4 is shaping up to be one of the most advanced, versatile, and entertaining AI assistants on the market. With a planned release by the end of 2025, it's a development every AI fan should watch closely. If you want to see Grok in action, check out the demos linked in the description below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI news and hacks. Thanks for watching Useful AI Hacks, where we make artificial intelligence work for you. See you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Until then, check out this AI update video right here.